Trust us work on gypsum board and fiber cement board for 8 years. We have top brand Weeka's gypsum board and top brand Spaba fiber cement board. Trust us is an audited supplier presented by SGS, which is approved by ISO 9001 certification and CE certification. We strictly control every production process, including raw materials, processing, packaging, transportation, and other links, in order to provide customers with the best quality products and services. With the trust and support from our business partners, Trust Us team has been working hard with advanced technology and new equipment for better serving customers. We also would like to sincerely cooperate with the partners in a win-win way. Last but not least, Trust Us team is striving towards a global brand